Hey, hello. This is for Thursday. This is for Thursday, October 8th, and 9th, and over the weekend. So what I would like you to do is, number one, go back. And if you have any assignments that haven't been completed, complete them. There are many people that don't have their assignments done, and you need to get all of them done. Okay? Second of all, I have some new ones here. So I would like you to watch these videos about molecules, and they're about liquid molecules, the movement of them, how hot, how heat, energy um, affects them. And there's a paragraph to read, a couple paragraphs. Also, the movement of molecules in a solid. And then I have some molecule questions. Then, if you read up here, you'll see it says, draw a picture of molecules moving in a scene of real life. This could be in a solid or a liquid, okay? So take a sheet of paper, and I would like you to draw the best you can a scene of molecules moving in real life. Be creative. Think about where have you seen them and how the heat made a difference to the object or the liquid. What did it look like? Show that. It gives me the ability to see that you understand what happens. Okay, that's it. So we will see you next week, and have a great weekend. Bye for now. See ya.